Hey, what's up guys? I'm MC here, and today for you guys I am playing Rainbow Run. It's a parkour map. I haven't tested it out yet. Yeah, I thought this would be a good thing to do. And yeah, my skin changed again. And what you guys think of skins? Yeah. So yeah, but yeah, let's get started some parkour. Come on, jump, jump. Oh, I'm sorry if it's laggy for you. I don't know why, but it's perfectly fine for me. I don't know why it's lagging, if it's lagging for you guys, but it's perfectly fine. Okay, jump, jump, jump. This parkour is fairly easy. No! But it is easy though. I'm just really scared of falling. You don't even need the ladders. I think this map was made by force boots. So there's that one. Actually, no, we're gonna try doing this without crouching. Okay. No, don't fall. Oh my god. And that's the other thing. But yeah. That's the end over there, guys. And I'll do it one more time. Ow! Ow. Looks like this won't be so easy as I thought. But yeah, I'll see you guys once I get there. And we're back, guys, so yeah. What it is, they upside down that jump. I think it's a 4 block, but yeah. Yeah, this is a possible jump. Wait. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not possible jump. Yeah, it's not possible jump. It's a 5 block, so yeah. Take it nice and slow. So yeah. Sorry if you can hear the sound before. If you can hear the sound before, I had my volume down, so yeah, I turned it up. So if you guys can hear it, yeah. And you guys couldn't hear it in my last video, is because I had the volume down as well, because it was nighttime. So yeah. And today I'm gonna try to do a Roblox video. Okay. Let's just stay close to it. I'll do this one more time for you, because it'll be a short video again. So yeah. I'm sorry that these videos are a bit short lately. Yay, I have done it, rainbows. But yeah, I will see you all once I am back down. Okay guys, and we're back here doing the parkour again, yay. Yeah, we're back here doing parkour again. Yeah. Do that, do that, do that. Bop, 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 bop. Yay. Ah! No! Yeah. Hey, what's that over there? So yeah, guys, let's hit that like button. Let's aim for 30 likes, so yeah. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that like and the subscribe button. It'll really mean a lot to me, so yeah. Yeah, just jump, 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 jump. So yeah, and if you want to check out my other channel, Mcpe, I also have more gaming videos on there too. It was originally for Minecraft, but then like I didn't have time to make this channel, so I just posted random gaming there too. So if you want to see more gaming, please comment down below what you want me to play next. I'll try to play it. But yeah, like that, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And like I said, if you're new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe. It will really mean